Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a contact form in Divi WordPress website. So let me log in into my Divi WordPress website. Just we can add /wp-admin after domain. Next, here you can add your own login details, as this is login detail for my website. And now we can add a new page. Just click here, and after that we can give name, for example contact, and after that here we can select the page layout, and I don't need sidebar. After that click here publish, and next we can view this page. After that click here enable viewer builder. So now Divi page builder is loading. After that we will be able to create a contact form. Make sure that you have activated your Divi WordPress theme, and after that click here start building. Then click here build from scratch. So now we can add one column or two column row, and here you can see these are various layouts and structure that we can use. So at this time I want to use one column. After that search for form. Here you can see this is contact form module. Okay, now here you can see form is added, and scroll down. Here you can add success message, and the most important field is email field. Here you can add your own email address. For example, I can add here this one. Okay, here you can give a title, then success message, and also you can change here submit button text. Here you can see I have changed text send now. Okay, but now we want to keep submit, and after that here you can add any additional field. For example, you want to add phone number field. Just click here, and here you can give field ID. Then you can give title phone, and also we can give here field ID. Then click here yes, and now scroll up. Then here we can drag this field on the top. Okay, then you can style the form according to your requirement. For example, you can change label color, text color, placeholder color, as well as background colors, and also you can style the button. Then click here yes, then save. And if you want to hide this spam protection option, just you can go here in the module setting, and here you can find out spam protection. Just disable it, and here you can see it has removed. Then save it.